record, and let's take a look at today. So NFP payroll numbers came in hotter than expected. So typically, that's good news for the economy. In our situation, that typically good news is bad news, but not today. So we started at 38.20 and we already jumped up to the 38.70s. So it's looking like today.
CJ, the unemployment went down from 3.7 to 3.5.
Yeah, that's the other thing that's it's an
That's also a joke because that's the worst. What there's different U factors. I can't remember how many there are, like 14. That's the worst one, and that's one everyone always sees, but that's the worst one to even really understand what the unemployment rate is, because it's basically how many people applied for and how many people fell off.
Right.
And unemployment, not employed or not. So.
Which is weird considering all the layoffs that we're having, especially in the IT world, but yeah, it is what it is. Well, now it's coming back down from its high levels, but in any case, all else being equal, it is good news overall for the U.S. economy. It does not bolster well for the Fed rate going down anytime soon. And again, the Fed basically said, according to the minutes, we are not dropping interest rates in 2023. So that's where we're at. All right. ATR levels, it's obviously very dynamic because of the big jump that we've had. It is bullish on the 1 hour time frame. Now this is a little bit wider. Anything above 38.84 is bullish, and anything 38.49, it's moving like crazy. It's supposed to be puts or bearish, at least that's according to ATR. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame, just from an indicator perspective. This is your yesterday. This is Asian market, this is European market, and this is pre-market for us. Two huge candles, lots of, is that a lot of volume? Not really. But then again, this is pre-market. What the heck just got filled? I canceled everything. Hold on. Okay. Huh. Okay. So the replicanto is just not working well. It's leaving some stuff, but at least I'm positive on a bunch of them. Anyway, so looking at it from an hourly perspective, at least so far, the bullishness is confirmed in the 1 hour. Dollar has dropped consistently, basically. Yeah, since 8:30 in the morning, it has dropped a good, oh my goodness, half a point. That is quite a lot. UVXY is going to open up lower, so that should pump up the market. And this is what I'm looking right now. Here's another aspect of it too. This is the ODR, which is the overnight dynamic range. And basically it is respecting the ODR range right here. Okay. This is the orb. And we were dancing around here. And no, this is actually the ODR range from yesterday. yesterday. This is the ODR range. This is from 2 days ago. Sorry, Fred. This is from 2 days ago. This is from London trading. So the ODR, IDR range and the orb are pretty much overlapping, but as you can see, it has jumped over to the IDR from 2 days ago. Okay, so as it stands in the grand scheme of things, we are still within range. Okay, if you look at the daily, whoops, let me do this. Well, this is the hourly, but if we're looking at over a couple of days, this has been the range right here from between 3,900 and 3,810, give or take. And so far, we don't see a movement outside of this consolidation. So this is the range that has been trading for a while, since middle of December. Okay. And it's been 3 weeks like this. I don't think NFP is going to take us out of this box. So I think it's going to be basically like a 5-year-old, you know, throwing a bowling ball down the lane with bumpers. It's going to go up and down, up and down. Today, I guess it's going to be the update. So that's my take on the pre-market. Anybody else have their takes on it? Monica, you updated us with the different levels. I forget what you call it.
Did you guys read the
plan
the
level?
last file?
Huh?
The last file. Did you guys read?
The last 5?
Yeah, the file, the daily plan.
No, I did not read the daily plan. Anybody
Okay,
else?
go read it fast.
What is the daily plan?
Go read it. You will see it.
Okay.
It's some zone areas that would make sense today. I didn't been very around. I was trying to make some levels for YM, improve the levels. So I didn't been very careful at what you said. You already in a trade?
Yep.
Long
It
or
was a
short?
leftover.
Ah, okay. You're short.
Yeah, basically from, well, again, it was a leftover.
Ah,
I
okay.
thought I had closed everything, and the next thing I hear is like, you know, order filled. And I'm like,
Oh,
what
okay.
the heck? And sure enough, this is what's happening.
You
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, I have to step off. I just want to mention TradingView is a free indicator if anyone's interested, called Smart Money Concepts. Is that one that you guys are familiar with?
Yeah,
Okay,
ICT.
but not. Okay. Well, this is Smart Money Concept. It just adds the supply and demand zones, so that might be something worth looking at because we pretty much hit the R and now we're just coming down. It's very similar to the ATR levels too. So I just wanted to share that, and everybody have a great day, and I'm sure we'll be soon. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Okay. Anybody else? Any insights that we have not discussed that you'd like to bring up? So Ken has told us that there is a huge block at 3880 and on the book map. So that is what we're looking at.
Yeah, it's still there, CJ, but it just bounced off 38.60 where there's a 200 block.
So it's basically between 80 and 60.
Yep.
And I
I mean,
have 2,000 contracts at 66 for buy. It's hanging in there.
It's a buy. Okay.
Yeah, on the dome.
Where was that, Monica?
66, I think now, 66.5. God, this is moving so fast. I need glasses.
Yeah, I'm done with pre-market. It's just you can't apply, any technicals to pre-market. It just moves however it wants, and
Yeah.
I'm just like whipsawed. So I'm gonna start basically negative on half of the accounts and slightly positive on the other half. On a bit of good news, I got the good news one day earlier. Last night, Apex, like 10 o'clock at night, 10, 11 at night, Apex sent me emails saying that all 11 of my evals have been passed.
Yoo-hoo.
12 actually. So now I have 19 PAs and one eval.
Way to go. So happy.
Yes,
Can't wait to go there.
I am very, very happy. And now I'm very, very nervous because,
I know. Listen.
I don't want to blow up any of these.
Exactly. So you know how you will not blow up, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Stick to micro.
Yeah. And few micros, not many, at least for a week or two until you get used to the PA, and this feeling goes away.
Yeah.
Few days.
Well, again, I'm doing 3 and 8 because it's very tight. It's 12 ticks, so each one is maximum. The max loss is $45. Okay, so
Yeah, but 45 multiplied by 8 is like almost 400.
no 3. When you do the 3,
Okay.
yeah,
$120.
$45.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to be, because the $100. Oh, by the way, the 100,000, FYI, how much did I pay? The fee is higher. It's with taxes, it comes to $238 one-time fee. Whereas the
For what?
50,000 a one-time fee with taxes is $151.
Oh, speaking of this, I don't know when I paid the one-time fee, was like $140.
Plus tax. Well,
I have no tax.
you have no tax, but we pay tax.
Okay. So they practically charge me exactly 140.
Lucky you.
Yeah, I guess.
That's the benefit.
Yeah.
That's the benefit of being in out of the country.
Yeah, I suppose.
or from Florida, Texas, or Tennessee.
Oh, they have no tax also.
I think they'll charge you anyway, because it's based upon where Apex is doing business.
Oh, it's federal tax. Okay.
Yeah, but aren't they in Texas?
They
Or
don't
in
have
Delaware?
state tax, Monica.
No state income tax.
Okay.
Is
It
it
was kind
sales
of a
tax
joke,
too?
I was saying, but
Are you sure it's sales tax too?
no, it's just income tax. I was kind of joking. I was gonna tell Monica, oh, you're from Florida, huh?
No, that is a good thing. There is no income tax, and so when you reach that road to 1 million and you hit that, in the U.S. it makes a huge difference. If you're in California, you're gonna pay half of it, $500,000 in taxes.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but if you live in Florida, Texas, what are the other states?
Tennessee, and I think there's another one too.
So
But I knew
they
Monica
change
wasn't from Texas because she doesn't have cowboy boots.
Listen,
on.
but the difference for your guys is that if you have loss, you have loses, right?
Yeah,
Those are eligible, correct?
up to 3,000 per year.
Okay, so here, starting January 1 this year, you pay 1% if you keep for the revenue from trading. If the stocks that you had investment was longer than a year, under a year you pay 3%, like we do, like right, day trading and all that. And if you have losses, doesn't count. So the losses, the loss doesn't count. It's yeah, that's crazy. I mean, why? And you have to pay
Okay, I'm
outside
getting-
of these some other taxes also.
Order filled.
Oh, we're going short. So
I'm going short because it broke the 36.60.
yeah,
Let's hope it pays.
keep tight stops because 10 minutes until open. So
Yeah.
the 60 is the December VWAP and last week VWAP.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Mhm.
Oh, come on. I thought once it cracked the 36.60 would continue.
Wait to test it again. Always wait to test for the retest, in fact. Retest and
How do we get
rejection.
the VWAP on Ninja?
I will, you have a free license, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will send you, I have a free version. I have the lifetime license, so I have some things. I will send you right now. Let me search for it. I think it's called the
Yeah, I may have
VWAP.
to get the lifetime license also.
Not really.
No?
No.
You don't, not too many benefits from it?
No, I mean, everything that I have now for the lifetime license,
Mhm.
I have it free
Oh, okay.
with add-ons. Yeah,
Good. No lifetime license. Good to know.
yeah, it's expensive and I don't know. I don't think it's worth. Because if you need to have like tick data and all that, you have to pay separately anyway. So
Yeah.
just for few indicators,
Yeah, yeah.
which you find free, by the way. Okay, let me send you guys the
Oh
VWAP.
boy, it's gonna, it looks like it's gonna hit my stop. No, dropping down. 5 ticks, 6 ticks.
Okay, maybe you should take profit and just wait a little bit.
I'm not in profit. I'm -1.
Oh, 1 point. 1 point is not much.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Well, one of the principles to keep in mind is that whenever you enter a position, you have to enter with the not with the mindset of, hey, this is how much I can make, but how much can I lose? And so when you go in there with the mindset of, okay, I've invested $45, make it binary, and let it run. Oftentimes that patience pays off.
okay,
But if it hits the stop loss, then you know what your loss was. Next, move on to the next one, because unfortunately, technicals are not very, because of the volume, the technicals are not there for you in pre-market. There are people who are very good with candle reading, and they trade pre-market. They love trading from 6 to 9. And I'm like, okay. All right, so now it's ticking up. No.
So I sent you guys on the group the D value. It's a volume profile. I don't know if I
Mm.
still have the template because you will need to use it correctly.
You have, well, it has volume profile. These are the volume profiles. Is it different than
Let me
what's
see.
available
Let
for
me.
free?
Yeah, that's the volume profile. So
Yeah.
you have the volume
Yeah,
profile.
it's within Apex.
It wasn't when I first started.
Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't working. Okay. You don't have the VWAP, correct?
No,
No,
do
I
not
have
the
it.
view.
Just that I don't know the name of the add-on. Let me search for it and I will send you there. I have.
Lars, good morning. Do you have any insight into what you're seeing so far?
Good morning. Actually, I'm in a trade on natural gas, and
Okay.
it's not going too well. Yeah, we had
Watching
the
that
big,
thing. I do
big
not understand.
candle, and I shorted it. And I think that the price is moved too far, but it might take some time for it to settle. So.
I heard natural gas from a dollar perspective, it moves real fast, real quick.
Yeah, that's why I thought that it's overbought and shorted it. But I will see what happens.
Order filled.
And so, goodness, sucks. So it bounces off the 60. Okay, no more. I think my winning percentage on pre-market is like below 50%. So I don't know why I try. Never mind. Let's stick to post-market.
I hate pre-market.
Yes, we got 4 minutes anyway, so it's gonna get wild. It's gonna jump around. What I want to know is who's the one who's trading these, a couple of minutes before the market opens and, does what they do. Goodness.
Well, I think there are many that trading like crazy. I can't do that.
Well, that's something to learn in another time, in another day, but not today. All righty. So let me open up my Street Smart. Edge, which honestly is not very smart. Great. Zero, 1, 4. 2 minutes.
Yeah, should stay away the first 5, 6, 7 minutes.
Yep.
Let's see where it's going.
I mean, if anything, it should be going down, That's what
Not so sure.
Great. I got the wrong one at the wrong place.
CJ, do you
Yeah.
hear me? I see you have the super dome. Remind me to give you that, maybe also help you use it.
No,
Those,
yeah, send it
the
to me.
ladder.
Yeah, send it to me. Send it to me.
Okay. No, I will have to see how I can do it first,
Okay.
because it's not like a normal indicator.
I
It's
see.
like a ladder, so you will see the blocks in there.
I see.
I will search for it and I will send it to you.
Yeah. So what I'm doing now is, since I have, there you go. So Apple, Google, Meta, Microsoft, Netflix is going high. Amazon, Tesla is down. ES down, NASDAQ down, YM negative momentum. Interesting.
Okay, so listen, when you have it down, when you add it on the Ninja, just tell me to show you fast step by step how to activate it, okay?
Say that again?
When you add it on the Ninja, I just sent it to you on the Telegram, okay?
Uh-huh.
Just add it and tell me to guide you step by step, okay?
Okay, well, let me download it for now. We'll do that
Yeah.
after.
Okay.
Okay. So I would guess it's gonna go down to about 45, and then we'll see if it bounces. Interesting. Interesting.
Yeah, wait.
CJ, I'm frozen on my book map. I'm trying to fix it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, from time to time you have to clean out the garbage. Under help, you have to clear the cache. Usually I wind up oh, interesting. That's nice. Energy. Well, at least my spy calls as a hedge worked out. Takes the pain out of some of my puts. Zoom is killing me. CarMax is killing me. What in the world? So far it's if you look at it from a 5-minute perspective, that's a bull flag. But it has to crack through the 3880. I think it'll have to crack through 3900 to really feel like, you know, we're really going to be bullish for the rest of the day. We have been oversold. That much I understand. That much I acknowledge. Uh, 880. What do I do? What do I do? It's Friday. Remember, it's OPEX today. So from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. is going to go crazy. On a Friday, my recommendation is don't trade futures. Because, well, obviously you have to close on Apex. But one of the services that I use on another one that I am slowly doing it because it has no time limit is SurgeTrader. And that one you can swing from Sunday night to Friday afternoon. They allow you to swing, but it's so darn expensive to just to do evaluation. So unless you've been consistent in paying in passing Apex evaluations, Surge is not worth it. You're just going to lose too much money. Yeah, so 38.71. Now it's coming down. It'll probably touch 38.45 again. 837. 937. What am I saying? I was looking at my clock. It says 937, but I said 837 for some reason. Could have jumped into that one, caught a good 12. Yeah, 12
CJ,
points. Yeah.
do you have any problems filling orders? Because today it's like the last 3 days, all my orders, I went long and filled short.
Yeah,
Then
it's been wonky.
Yeah, and wrong price. I was up like $40, and instead I was minus $40 again. I don't know what's the problem. I
Yeah,
think I
it's
will write.
wonky.
Yeah, I will open up ticket to Apex. I don't know what's happening.
I think the upgrade to latest Ninja may have thrown off some things. I don't know.
Oh, I had that also before update Ninja.
Man, this would have been a nice catch. And it's going to go down to 45. Right?
I don't know.
Would have loved to have jumped into this one, but again, it's 9:38. That may have been some news. Is there any news? Short-term yield slip. Okay. 10-year treasury is down 1/3%. 5-year treasury almost 1%. Oh, okay.
Okay, it's gone to the VWAP like cheese. Let's see.
Yeah, it's bouncing off 45. I may look to click a buy if it starts showing, if the TickStrike goes all positive. But notice how TickStrike, everything went negative and just kept on being
Yeah.
negative except UVXY. So if we weren't looking at the clock, and if it wasn't, you know, this early in the day, okay, so now it's trying to pump up. Still negative. Okay, Tesla is trying to tick up. Nope. Keep in mind, overall market environment is still bearish. So it doesn't have a direct impact into our sniping on Apex, but you have a better chance at selling rather than buying in the long run. So that's one of the reasons that I do like Surge Trader, is that you know, you can sell something and just hold. Okay, it broke through the pivot. All right, I'm gonna jump in.
Or-
That's a $45 risk.
Filled.
TickStrike is
Order
going
filled.
crazy. All right, so that's filled. Keep going, otherwise I'm going to manually close. Come on, push, push. Push, push, yeah. There you go, UVXY is positive, that's good. All have negative momentum, let's go.
Listen, CJ,
Mm-hmm.
what is the price now
Order filled.
for
38.41, 38.41, 38.40.
okay, so mine is 49.
Order filled.
Yeah, I would stop trading on your end.
Yeah.
Because, something
What the hell is
definitely
going
wrong.
on? Okay.
Yeah,
Let
your
me send a ticket or something.
yeah, your tick data is completely wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm out. The moment it stopped moving, I manually closed at +1. So at least I closed it in positive territory. Let's see. Okay, keeps going down.
Order filled.
Keep pushing, keep pushing.
Or target filled.
All righty, first one Filled. Come on, push, keep pushing. I'm moving, yeah, I'm moving the stop loss to 0 risk. Okay, fine.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. All right, getting better. Half of my accounts are in the green. The other half are red, slightly. And it keeps going down. Come on. I'm gonna sell one
Order filled.
and just let it run. No
Order
stop
filled.
for now. Now I'm changing it back to the 3 micros. So I'm going to let one run for the rest of the day or until I have to flatten everything.
Order filled.
We're going to hit the bottom of the ODR at 38.30. Ken, are you on? Do you have your bookmap
Order
up?
filled.
Keep going down. Keep going, keep going. That up. Dang it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, anybody else? Eric, what are you in right now? Are you out, in?
Yeah, I got stopped out on natural gas on profit, but
good.
I could have made double the profit or more.
Yeah,
But it's okay because now the price is even higher than where I got in, so at least I didn't lose.
yeah. That's a good worst case scenario to have. Is like,
Yeah. The other thing is I need to get better with my exits. My entries usually are good, but
Yeah.
my exits I need to improve that.
yeah. One of these days, you're gonna have to teach us natural gas.
Yeah, I don't know much about natural gas. It's just I look at the charts, and when I see a setup, I just trade it.
Okay.
So I usually look for price action and for volume and that kind of stuff.
Gotcha. All right. So far, we have Trade Desk. The alert bot has given us a sell on TTD. Let me look at TTD in the meantime. TTD. Yep. So we're going to short that. Place order. All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, now it's pushing up. Let me buy off of this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if it'll take it past the pivot and maybe all the way up to 38.60. Uh-oh. No, UVXY is dropping.
Order filled.
Oh, goodness. Great, now it's pushing up.
Order filled.
Let's go. Considering that we had the NFP today, the amount of action that we're getting post-market has been disappointing, to say the least. But this is what we're seeing. Short term, it's bearish, but we're looking at the IDR right here. This is creating an immediate support. There's a strong support at 38.20. Looking at the 1 hour, so far it's still bullish, but it's not super duper bullish. All right, so it's looking like it may hit the second or not.
Order
There
filled.
you go. So hopefully it'll take it all the way up to 38.60. Right here is your next zone of support. So we shall see. TQQQ sell. Okay.
Order filled.
There you go. Keep going. At least in this run, I'm guaranteed a positive trade. We'll see.
Order filled. Order filled.
There you go. So about half of my accounts are green. The other half are very red. Some of them are. So this is the variance that it's bothering me about Replicanto. Same thing with Apex Copier. And today, right now, it's not that volatile, but for some reason, the variance basically is from plus 100 to minus 100. So Monday, I may try doing half of it in Replicanto and half of it in Apex Copier, since I have both. And I'm going to see if that's going to create better results. I don't know. Okay, so it didn't even reach the 60 level. It basically hit this pivot point right here and didn't even close above it. And it's coming back down. So it's going to dance from 45 to 30, I think. It's not worth entering in if it's going to dance within that pivot area. If I'm going to do it, it would have to be kind of like one contract at a time. But then, you know, you're basically playing with $5 per tick. Per point. $5 per point. So FYI, I got into, I shorted TTD. I took that call from the indicator bot. Another alert that came out is shorting TQQQ, but I'm not going to touch that. Okay, good. I'm glad that your prices are correct. All righty. $58.60. So I am suspect in regards to the 38.60 as being a call, but anything but 38.25. 38.25. 38.25. So technically, from an ATR perspective, if you go below 38.24 now, this shouldn't be changing so much. I don't understand. Sati. Reset settings, 14-day. Okay. Yeah, that sounds a little more correct. I'm not sure about the calls, but 38.10 below that, I think it could do it. Oh goodness. Anybody know why it's jumping? $10 o'clock. Oh yeah, reports came out. ISM non-manufacturing PMI came in at 49.6. 49.6. The forecast was 55. And so non-manufacturing. So this is the producers index. Well, their price, wholesale pricing basically. And it's showing at least some signs of inflationary pressures going down. But again, not enough to even crack above 38.60. Anybody else? Or am I talking to dead air? Please speak or forever hold your peace. Ken, any insights on the book map? What are the tops and bottoms? Monica and Lars? Okay, let's hit a buy on this one.
Order filled.
Come on. Keep pushing. You should push up to 38.70s. Let's go. Yeah, Kyle just wrote so much going on today, and I don't think the price action is, I guess, working his way. So just walk away for the day. You know, that actually might be a good idea. You know, or at least wait until the afternoon when you have some sort of a clear trend. Right now, we are getting bounced around like a ping pong. Oh, great. I don't have any stops on these. I forgot to change the ATM strategy, so now I'm -6. All right, let's hold it. Let's hold it. From the 1 hour perspective, it's both lagging. This one is retracing back to the blue line. 38.64 is my target. at the very least. UVXY is dropping, so prices should go up. Let's stay patient and let's see what happens. Oh boy. On the plus side, I am in micros. I am unrealized at minus 75 to 100. Let's see. So I made the mistake of jumping in without stop losses. So now I have to rely on technicals. And so far, it's looking good. What is that sound? What is that sound? So 5-minute candles are looking a-okay. So one good thing about 3 micros is that you're not worried about being minus 10 points. Here we go. Here's the push. I'm going to try to get out around over here, the 38.71 mark. So far, it's pushing. Yeah, now I'm positive. So dollar's dropping, usually is the forerunner. UVXY is dropping. Both dollar, the Dixie, and UVXY are inverse relationship to the stock market. So the 1 hour candles are looking good. The 5 minutes, it's looking better. But that 71 area is where love that sound of TickStrike. Come on. And it has slowed down. No, it's going. At the very least, it needs to hit here. It's 58. Wait, why is my trading view at 58 and this one is at 65? Well, at least it's consistent.
Are you using Heikinashis?
I am, yeah, Heikinashi.
Yeah, that's the answer.
Okay, fine. All right. I like Heikinashi. It's pretty. Look at that.
Yeah, it is. But you just need to pay attention that the prices are not real on it.
Yeah. There you go. So 1
So you
hour.
should always look in the Ninja for the real prices
Yeah.
and can use the Heikinashi for the trend.
Gotcha. Let me look at. All right, so I just changed this to the 4 hour. All right, I'm gonna close at
Order
this
filled.
point.
Order filled.
Let me at least lock in the profits. So I still have 4 accounts in the red. All right. So that's my replicanto. Actually, let me do no trails. I need to see it go above that. All right, so let me, in the meantime, let me see if I can set up my Apex copier. Here's my Apex. Where's my Apex? Oh, here we go. Here's my Apex copier, and we are looking at 17.2. Okay, so I need to go into 17. $47. 3, 4. 7, 8, 9, 11. What do you think, Lars? 38.71 is a major resistance?
Could you please repeat the question? I didn't understand.
3871. Do you see that as a resistance? Because
Okay.
I see that little line right there. The top end right here, 3875, is the top end of the IDR.
Gonna be interesting. The 71 is the top of the bodies of these previous candles, right? That you have on the...
For today.
Yeah, it might react there.
Yes, right here. Opening and closing, right there. We're right at the closing. This is the bottom.
Yeah, I think there might be quite some resistance looking at the chart now here.
Yeah, right here, it has to break through 38.75. So whoever is listening, if you're following this, when it goes over 38.75.25 to be exact, I think that's where we can go long. So there's a Fed speaker coming in at 1 o'clock, speaking at 1 o'clock.
Oh.
So keep that in mind. Dollar keeps dropping. Ticking like crazy. No, UVXY is trying to turn around. So that's a no-go. Okay, so Ken was able to update us at 38.80. There is 500 contracts on Bookmap. All right, PayPal. We got the bot alert. PayPal sell. PayPal. Let's take a look at PayPal. All right, I think I'm gonna book my coin profits. Let's say 12%. So let me have 5 will run. 5 runners, the rest of it close it. And let's book it. I know. 7 energy. What is it? 10. I'll look to close it around like 11 o'clock. But that's a nice profit. Ooh. Ashland. Okay. I'm done with Ashland. Let me book this one as well. Get out of it. Okay, 38.80. It's got to break 38.80. So it's got to break 2 areas, 38.75, and then it has to break through 38.80. Some of the future experts would say that, you want to go long above 3,900. So I guess to each his own. Okay, so Golden Cross, 3 white soldiers, but it's a low volume. Buy signal has been, so this buy signal and this bullish harami right here has definitely paid off. So without going through TickStrike or without looking at the levels, if we just went by technicals alone, we could have entered at around 38.45 and written it a good 40 points. But not today. Dixie is at 104.59. UVXY is at the lowest of the day at 6.3, 6.29. Okay, 72. 73. Man, if it breaks 38.80, there's nothing. It's pretty much blue skies thereafter. So get ready. I'm doing 3 micros with no trail stops. I do not like getting stopped out. Now, if there's a rejection at 38.80, we can see it go all the way down to 38.55 right here. Can I draw? Drawing tools. Snap-on. Oh, F2. 38. Around 38.55. Okay. Weakness. Lars, what do you think? What's your guess? Breakthrough or drop?
Very hard to say.
Dropping.
I wait for the reaction on it.
Yeah.
I don't like to trade into it, but I prefer to see a retest first.
Yeah, no, it's I think it's dropping.
I'm watching the dollar here, and I'm seeing a very tiny green candle right now.
At the 1 minute?
At the 5 minute, but it's really tiny, but it's at least not going straight down anymore.
Yeah.
And
there you
same
go.
for the UVXY, so.
There you go. $38.55, $38.50. That's the $38.50, $2.50. $38.50, $2.50. Where's my mouse? 52.50. There you go.
Now the candle is red on the dollar again.
Oh boy. TickStrike momentum is negative. There you go.
Oh, I wanted to ask you about TickStrike. Which sound level do you use? There are these different numbers.
Yeah, I just use the default and use the Geiger sound. I got used to
Yeah, but there's different sensitivities, these numbers from 1 to 13. And I'm experimenting with it. And I wanted to ask you, which sensitivity do you use?
I use the default.
The default.
Yeah, I think it's a 6, right?
Maybe. I clicked around and now the default is gone. I have to check how I can get the default back.
There you go. Look at that, TickStrike, all red.
Yep. Yeah, actually, that's a good point that you make. What you could do is when it gets close to these levels, just look at TickStrike and pay really close attention.
Yeah.
Because there you see it before you see a retest or anything.
Yeah, yeah. This is a game changer right here. It really sets the tone. And sometimes it'll be like frozen. Okay. Hello. Yeah, it'll be frozen, and then you see the momentum changing on the TickStrike, and I would close it in advance, before it gets negative. Not all the time, but that has been the case.
It makes a lot of sense. I think I should over the weekend sit down and configure all that stuff, and then I can properly trade next week.
Yeah, they're all 6. I have it all at 6.
6, okay, thank you.
Yeah, I forget the name of this candle formation, but this is bearish. Do you know the name of this?
No, I don't. I'm not. I usually don't know the names, but I know what the price action tells me.
Yeah, that's all that matters, really.
Like I know when there's a long wick that there's rejection and that kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That it's a stop. That it can be stop run or liquidity run and these kind of things. But I'm not good with remembering all these names.
Yeah, let's come on. Drop it. Come down to 60. Right there. Come on, come to 60, come to mama. There you go. Come on. Yeah, on Bookmap, the bears are stronger for sure. More sellers, more sellers. They're butting heads at 67. There you go.
Yeah, I'm going short here as well now. Or I am already. Bit.
Okay, good, good, good. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Actually, if it breaks through 60, might continue going down. ERM. There you go. Breakthrough 60. Breakthrough 60. There's 178 contracts. 62.5. Somebody came in. Okay. Yeah, come on. Eat it up. It's down to 150. There you go. Just hit me 38.60. I'm not greedy. Just hit me 38.60. Forget it.
Order filled. Order filled.
TickStrike just started showing some strength in a few of the stocks. I'm just going to lock it in.
Thanks. So did I.
You did very good.
Yeah, but profit is tiny because I was reacting later than you.
No worries. All right, so as of now, it's 10:30. So Ninja has shown the IDR range for today, which is basically 38.71 all the way to 38.35. So it has to break out of these in order to go like super long. Look at that. As soon as we hit that area, look at this. It just went right back up. And it would have been great if we just reversed it, but risky. Way too risky. So 75 and 80. That's where the resistance is. 75 and 80.
Yeah, I think what I will do is I wait for the breakout out of this range, and then I will take that on a pullback.
Yeah. So I'm looking to short after this bullishness.
I think somehow I like trading later in the day.
Yeah, it's later in the day definitely is you can rely on technicals better, I think.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I think, because in that first in the pre-market and in that first hour you have these economic data releases and everything, and that shakes it up a lot. And I don't know, for me it's kind of difficult to trade that. I'm not a scalper, and so it's more difficult for me.
Lars, guess what? I'm not a scalper either.
Hey, CJ, so I'm playing with my
Robert is not a scalper. He's like a long-term swinger, and he's what are you doing in this channel?
this is all new to me. I just want to make money, but I'm playing with my sim account.
How you doing?
Well, I was doing great, and then I sold at 38.71, and then I went to go cover it at 38.65, and I hit sell instead of buy. I didn't realize it until like 2 minutes ago, and now I'm underwater. I'm learning all the things to remember to do when I start doing my my eval accounts.
Yeah. See, it's better that you do it on the sim. Now, here's the thing. I would hold it.
Yeah, I'm holding.
I would hold it and then see the next time that it drops, because do you see my screen where the IDR box is drawn? So it has to break out of this box and above 38.80. Okay, it's trying to push. It has to break out above 38.80. Or close above 38.75 in order to be bullish for the day.
Well, I'm short, so we'll see what happens. I'm jumping on another call, so I thought it was a fun story of why I'm doing sim, and I'm learning very quickly here. And then my first trade was actually that I did make money on was ES instead of the MES, and I'm like, oh my god, wrong contract.
Wrong contract. Yep. That happens.
Learning a lot very quickly here.
It's so funny. Okie dokie. So we are pushing up high.
Yeah, I think I want to see a clear break and close above 75.
Yeah.
Because all the wicks start at 75 when you look at the 5-minute chart.
Oh, it does? Okay.
So that would be the last resort of the bears, basically.
Yeah.
So if that gets broken, that's meaningful.
Yes. Not yet. It's trying. Oh,
Yeah, it's trying hard, but
dancing around there. All right, let's see if we're gonna see another drop. Okay, so UVXY, yeah, UVXY has plateaued. Never mind. It's pushing. 73.
your algo gives a sell signal on the dollar here. That's good.
On the dollar? I'm looking at the
Yeah.
Dixie. Yeah, yeah, it is. It is. I mean, it had a sell signal since 9:55.
Yeah, but I'm not looking at Heikin-Ashi. I'm looking at the real candle.
Ah, I see, I see. Okay, here we go. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Filled.
Oh, nice. Oh, if I could take the profit here, it's a lot of profit.
Yeah, 38.80 is going to be a resistance, so keep that in mind.
All right, I will take profit at 38.79 and some.
Alrighty. Another push for 38.80. There is 670 contracts at that level. That is heavy.
Damn.
There you go. Come on, push.
Oh, come on, fill my order.
Oh, it didn't fill your order?
No. 2 ticks.
I would jump
Yeah.
in.
Okay, fill.
It's gonna break through. Yep, there you go.
Yeah,
Nice, open
okay.
skies, open skies, open skies. Oh, I'm so tempted to buy more, but I'm just gonna let these three ride. I just need to hit my, where is
Personally, I wait for a small pullback now. If I get it. Let's see. But this time I played it safe and took profit.
good, good.
Because you said that there's a huge resistance on 80, and I wasn't sure if it breaks through or not.
Yeah, we never know. Next one is 85. They usually go by fives, 85, 90, 95. At least
Is that where the people like to
Yeah.
set the orders? Or-
yeah, that's where they like to set it. For
I
sure.
see.
Okay, let me close
Order
these
filled.
and lock it
Order
in.
filled.
Gosh, look at this. I have a variance of 273 positive to as low as 76 bucks. Jeez.
What the fuck? This is from the copier.
Yeah, I even split it between Replicanto and Apex Copier. I split half and half, and still
Yeah.
you have this variance.
What is your personal opinion? Which one is better?
Replicanto,
Replicanto.
yeah.
Huh. I'm thinking if you have such a large variance that maybe I will personally split these accounts in more packages and trade only like, I don't know, 4 accounts together or 2 accounts, something like that.
I'm
And play
so what
really
I may
safe.
do is
I just,
go ahead.
it does me no good. and he's asking me for updates on
Order filled.
that's called book map. And that's when my computer froze and so forth. I told him I have to go back out. But it pisses me off because you want me to give you information for what you're doing, but I'm getting nothing back from you anymore. Because he's doing something totally different than what we were doing to begin with. And I'm trying to close out and follow all, and it didn't cost me anything. Luckily, I was able to catch everything. The only thing I did is I should have gotten out of this Google was at a 10% profit. But AMD, I got out at a 30% profit.
Oh, good.
Coin, I got out at 15 or 18% profit. So I've had some good ones. And I'm just being patient with them instead of getting out of them. I got to poop again. It's
I can
water
smell
just
it.
going through me. Well, I turned the fan on, you say keep the door open, so I kept the door open, cracked.
Okay, all right, so you're gonna call your sister and do all that.
Yeah.
Let me know if you need my help.
Where are you going?
In the garage.
Lights on, doors locked, I think.
Okay, his mic is on.
Boom.
I thought he was talking to us. He's talking to his wife. It's pulling back. Yeah.
Dollar is still going down.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. I think it's going to be bullish moving forward. Let me do some.
Did we break out of this range, right?
Yeah. It's above IDR.
Yeah.
Oh, that means that the put calls. So the puts on Indicator Pro is off for today. Oh boy. Alrighty. Should I not? Should I not?
Yeah, I'm asking myself the same question.
Yeah, my situation is that I got a bunch of puts that are just dying in the vine for me.
Oh shit.
I'm just gonna have to cut it. It's just
How long is the expiration?
January 20th.
Nah, 14 days.
Yeah, but it's just I'm so deep in the red. You know?
Yeah.
Cut. Theta will kill
Honestly,
you.
it looks still like sideways action on the
Yeah, it's
daily.
trying to come back under. Great. Alrighty.
filled.
Let me just
Order
close it up.
filled.
Dang it.
You did better than me on that one. I was too cautious. You took the risk and got paid for it. But I knew I can't chase it when it was that high. I knew it, that
Yeah.
it would reverse.
Well, unfortunately, I didn't have a stop, so I had to close it manually on its drop. So that one put me in the negative. Okay.
Shit.
So such is the case. Right. So I have to take some of the indicator bot. Hey, Ken, are you still here? Did you take any of the bot call outs? Crap. TTD is negative. Roku, I'm down 31%, 32%. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till. No, let me cut it. I'm just gonna cut it.
What are these based on? These indicator, these bot callouts?
It's based upon the indicator bot, which is the algorithm that I've written.
Yeah.
So you see these buy sell signals?
Yes.
So it's based on those. Unfortunately, today it's not cooperating.
Yeah, it happens. No system is 100%.
Yeah.
That's why we need to have proper risk management.
Yeah. So that's why my stop loss is at 30%. But sometimes
Makes
I just
sense.
pay it by ear. And it just doesn't work out that way. Okay.
Do you just jump into those when the bot tells you to, or are you still doing your own technical analysis on the tickers?
I generally have a good idea of what the support resistance is on the stocks because I'm familiar with them.
I see.
You know, a day like today, you know, it's just not, it's not cooperating. You know.
True. Yeah, it's OPEX, and we are ranging for quite some time, you know, on the daily chart in the index. It might range further during the year because there's no real clear direction for the index, you know.
Yeah, it's not jumping, it's not going beyond it. So it is what it is. All right.
Yeah, no one really wants to buy a lot, but also, yeah, shorting it right now. You don't know what the earnings will bring.
Yeah, earnings will be coming up soon too. Okay. All right. So that's it for today. I don't have anything else more to go by. Stay green.
Yeah,
And
you too.
stick to the plan and stay small. And yeah, hopefully by the end of today, all of us will be very green and hit our profit targets. So right now I've hit my profit targets in about half. So we'll see. I have to
Okay.
play around with the Replicanto and copier.
Take care.
All right, take care.
Bye.
Bye.